guys, welcome back to Angie in Wonderland. I hope everybody is doing well. It has been quite some time since I have actually sat down and done a monthly favorites with you guys. I actually do a monthly empties every single month, and that's just the products that I use up during the entire month. That is something that I think every YouTuber does, and everybody seems to enjoy that, and I actually enjoy sharing with you guys what I use up as well. But this time I'm actually going to do what my favorite things were in the month of May, so my monthly favorites. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I have quite the list of things that have been that I've favored this month. So okay, first things first. I know some of you guys have known that I have been dying over these cookies. These are the Voortman Bakery cookies, chocolate and caramel wafer cookies, and I have had such a heck of a time trying to find them. And then somebody sent me, very nicely, thank you so much, sent me 4 packs of these through Amazon. She sent them directly to my house, which was wonderful, and I'm just now actually starting to open up those packages and eating them, because every single time I go to the store, I always pick up these cookies and then I store them in my pantry and then I keep them. I will be definitely taking a pack of these with me on my next trip or when we travel anywhere, because these are so good and I don't know if I could find them anywhere, and when I get to craving a cookie, I love these. Alright, these are so good. They're about 150 calories for 3 wafers. So they are pretty, you know, have a lot of calories, but they're so good. So if you guys want to try these, you can actually link them in my Amazon market and you guys can find them there because they're so good. I highly recommend it. You guys should try them. The next thing that I've been loving this month is my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. This palette is amazing. This is the one that I've been wearing every single day since I got it. I love all of the colors that it has on here. Every color is so pretty. I use these 3 colors down here the most, and then I use this one right here, like in the eyes, the corner of my eyes. Absolutely love it. I love the packaging on it. It is so pretty. The colors just suit me because they're just such a nice neutral color, and that's kind of like what I like to wear. I don't like to wear anything really bright, so I really like this palette. Definitely highly recommend this palette as well. Alrighty, so the next thing on my list is this purse, and I will link a video up here in the corner for you guys to see a view of this purse. I did a nice video on it. I bought this purse back in the beginning of the month when Brian and I were in Alabama on a business trip for him. I added the cute little puff ball at the end of it. It's super cute. I got this at Goodies. I've just really enjoyed using this purse. It is so nice. It's such a perfect size, and I love the length of it for a crossbody. So that is one of my favorite things that I have been using for the month of May. The next thing that I have been loving in the month of May are my Meyers, Mrs. Meyers products and candles. These have been such a nice addition to my home. I love the way that they smell. My favorite has been the lavender, right? The lavender, yeah, lemon verbena, right? Lemon verbena. Anyway, I can't remember, sorry. Anyway, they just wonderful scents. I love the candles. I love the dish soap and the counter spray. I love everything about Mrs. Meyers, and I definitely love being able to purchase the scents that I want. I usually open them up, but I order everything from Grove, and I'll leave just a link in the description box below too if you guys want to get some of the Mrs. Meyers products from Grove collab. Great thing. You guys get $10 off if you like purchase right now if you use the link below, so be great for you guys to do. All right, the next thing that I have been loving in the month of May is I've really been back watching my NanotoWindow series. I bought this series about 4 or 5 years ago, and I bought the entire series. I think it was like 10 years worth of videos, and I just pop one of these in, these DVDs in, and I watch like an entire season throughout the week. So absolutely love NanotoWindow. I grew up watching NanotoWindow. I'm a huge fan of this, and I know I just enjoy it. So this is something that I've been watching this month while I'm cleaning the house or just doing whatever, working on my computer, whatever. I just kind of pop one of these in and watch it. Absolutely love it. Alrighty. Another thing that I have really been enjoying this month is my Posh page, my Posh Market, which is my Posh closet. If you guys are not familiar with Posh, it is an online closet where I've been posting some of my clothing items and you can sell them to other people who are interested in buying them. They will purchase them if they want it, or they don't have to. But anyway, I just love using Posh. It has actually, I've gotten about $300 from Posh so far, and that has been a wonderful little addition to my pocket because it has helped me been able to, you know, I can use that on my Disney trips and whatever else I need to spend it on. So it's just been nice, and you can actually leave it inside of your little Posh bank there, and you can actually use that money to purchase anything else that you might see on Posh, or you can transfer it over into your bank account and use it as you wish. But I really, really like Posh, and I'll leave you guys a link to my Posh closet down below. Right now it is closed because I am on vacation, so I will open that up as soon as I get back from vacation, and then you guys can view my closet when I put more items up there. The next thing that I have really been enjoying this month is my new clock. I bought Brian and I a new clock for our beds. Our clocks were black and they had like the red digital time on there, and I kind of wanted something that was more, that matched our bedroom a little bit more. So these ones are white and they are bright, but you can dim them. I love the fact that it has a USB on there, so you can plug in your phone to it and it charges your phone. Plus it has the plug-in for your clock as well. I love the fact that it gives you the date and the weather. So when you wake up in the morning, you can look directly over there and you can see the weather. So Brian and I both have one, and I actually think I'm going to add that to some of my my Christmas wish list this year for gifts that I'm going to give family members this year. And I will leave a link to that as well below in my Amazon Market. You guys can go purchase that clock if you want to. I love that clock. That is like my favorite clock. I'm glad that I got it. I'm actually going to buy another one for our guest room. Alrighty, the next thing that I have been loving this month, Brian and I tried this a couple of weeks ago. I suffered from really bad headaches. Like, I was getting a headache every single day and I just didn't know why. I think I kind of shared that with you guys for a minute. But we read on there that if you get some turmeric or turmeric, I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but anyway, Brian and I have been using this for the last month, about 3 weeks now, and ever since I started taking one of these a day, I have not had a headache since. It is definitely a, what is that called? It's a anti-inflammatory. This is an anti-inflammatory, so definitely takes the pressure off of my head, which is really, really nice. And I actually haven't been, like, my body hasn't been achy, or my joints haven't been achy either because of arthritis or anything like that. But I definitely have been thankful for the fact that it's definitely worked for my headache. So something that I've been loving, and this is one of my favorites for this month, this definitely would be it. I picked this up at, I think we got this at Walmart, and it was a buy one, get one free, but I'm sure that you can find this on Amazon as well. Alrighty, the other thing that I have been loving this month, the same time I bought my purse, I bought this wonderful phone, like a car mount for your phone. And it's so nice because the last time I had one and it was stuck inside, it wasn't stuck, I just had it, it was mounted inside of my air vent, and so I had to turn the air vent off and it blocked the air from hitting me. And I need to have that air vent hitting me, so, and I needed to have a new one anyway because that one kind of broke. So we bought these new phone mounts for our cars, and I absolutely love this one. It just snaps in really, really nice and easy. It holds in there very, very nicely. My plug-in for my charger in my car reaches to it very, very nicely, and you just pull it out and put it back in and it works just fine. I love it. It's so good. It's such a nice, like, a car mount, so I highly recommend that. We got that at Walmart, but I'm sure you can also find that one on Amazon as well. And that is going to be it for my May monthly favorites. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and let me know if this is something that you guys would like me to do monthly as well. Share with you kind of like my favorites for the month. If so, then I will see you guys next month on my monthly favorites. Thanks for watching Angie Wonderland. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!